If you are planning to buy GetResponse paid plan, then this is the perfect time for you. During this Valentine week, GetResponse is offering a flat 30% discount on their plans. To get started, simply head over to GetResponse using the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you'll see this discount offer right at the top. When you click on it, it will ask you to create an account on GetResponse. Here, you only need to enter these info, and your account will be ready in no time. Since I already have an account, I will click on this login button. Once you are logged in, click on this Get Discount button. This will take us to the pricing page. Here, we only need to select the plan that we want to continue with. Next, we need to enter our billing address, payment info, and other info. And just like this, you'll be able to get the 30% discount on your GetResponse plan. Make sure to use the first link down below in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest offers and discounts of GetResponse. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.